Alright guys, this is Mr. 4. I'm going to teach you guys to use the circuit breaker on your house. This has to do with the conductivity of electricity we're talking about in chemistry and also in physics with electrostatic forces. So on a side note, this is what the gas looks like that goes into your house if there ever is an earthquake. You are going to want to switch off this gas valve, because that is one of the most dangerous things that can cause harm after an earthquake if your gas ruptures. But on most houses, this is what your circuit breaker box is going to look like. On our house, it is on the outside, and I would assume in most houses in Las Vegas it probably is. This is your electric meter, but on a lot of these boxes you are going to have a lock. I have one on mine. Rumor has it the power company doesn't want you to have one on there, but I don't want some random person off the street just running up and flipping the switches off at my house. So once you open the panel, as you can see, they're all labeled. They should be labeled, depending on who built your house. Sometimes they're not always labeled, but it's easy enough to check them. But let's say that the power went off for the washer and dryer. I would know that it is most likely going to be this breaker. Sometimes they are mislabeled, but that's why I say most of the time. Let's say the power only went out in the bedroom, but it's on in the rest of the house, then I know it's probably this breaker. So in other words, you find which breaker it is. It's usually going to be, the breaker switch will be a little bit loose, and then all you do is flip it off, flip it back on, and the power should come back on that breaker, or I mean on that circuit inside of your house. It really is that simple. You want to make sure that all of them are pointed the same way on. That is how you can check them. And if you have any questions about anything else, let me know. Other than that, once you have flipped your circuit breaker back on, you close it, lock it up, and you are all good. If you guys have any questions about that, let me know.